Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with Buffer for consistent affiliate posting on US platforms step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Buffer website and creating an account. Fill in the required information to set up your profile. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard for a clear overview of your social media accounts. Connect your relevant US platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn. To add an account, click on the Connect a New Account button. Select the platform you want to integrate and follow the prompted instructions to authorize Buffer. After linking your accounts, familiarize yourself with the Buffer interface. Go to the Content section on the dashboard to start composing posts. Create your affiliate posts by including relevant links, images, and engaging captions. Utilize Buffer's URL shortening feature to keep your links neat and track performance effectively. Adjust the optimal posting schedule based on your audience's activity patterns. Go to the Settings option to customize your posting times for each platform. Consider scheduling your posts in batches to maintain consistent affiliate outreach. Once you've crafted your posts, select the Add to Queue option for immediate scheduling or set a specific time for each entry. Review your calendar view to see how your posts will appear throughout the week. Monitor engagement levels and adjust your strategy based on analytics provided by Buffer. Continuously refine your content to align with trends and audience preferences. By following these steps, you will ensure a streamlined approach to your affiliate marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.